Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Chandigarh High Court dictation exercise number 9 trial passage for Chandigarh High Court and other courts at the rate 100 word per minute. So be ready, senior and junior stenographer. Be ready, start. Before the lower appellate court, the matter was once again examined on facts as well as on law. It was argued by learned counsel for the appellants that the collector has erred in law in dismissing the petition filed by the plaintiff appellants. According to the appellants, the earlier petition by Nand Singh was dismissed by the collector on account of its non-prosecution. The merit of the petition was not considered by the collector. Otherwise, to Nand Singh, having ceased to be owner of the property on account of registered sale dated 2/1978, had no authority to prosecute the pending petition any more, and so the order of the collector dated 10/4/1978 dismissing such a petition will not preclude the plaintiffs from getting the land redeemed in their own right, or for the collector to decide the same independently despite the dismissal in default of the petition filed by Nand Singh. It was further argued that Nand Singh could not be said to be a representative of the plaintiffs after 2/1978. Otherwise, any such order cannot be said to have been passed under the Act. The lower appellant court, however, did not find any merit in any of the contentions raised by the appellants, and so held that the second petition filed by the plaintiff appellants was not maintainable, and the present suit having been filed after the expiry of period and limitation 1 year from 10/4/1978, the same has rightly been held to be beyond limitation. So the findings of the trial court under issue number 1 was affirmed. Resultantly, the appeal too was dismissed. Learned counsel for the appellants, after referring to the factual aspects which have already been briefly noticed, argued that the courts below have erred in law in non-suiting the plaintiffs. Admittedly, the plaintiffs became owner of the suit property on the basis of sale deed dated 2/1978, and from this date Nand Singh ceased to be owner of the property and in law had no right to prosecute any such petition any more. So his absence on the date fixed and the dismissal of the petition by the collector on account of his non-appearance cannot be construed in a manner depriving the appellants of their legitimate right to redeem the property in their own right. According to learned counsel for the appellants, Nand Singh could not be said to be a representative of the plaintiffs. Full stop. स्टूडेंट, ये आपके 404 वर्ड्स है और आपका जो टेलीग्राम चैनल पे इसका PDF आपको मिल जाएगा।